Okay, so today I will be doing an unboxing for this new camera my dad got. He had the Insta360 X3 and now he's got this X5 BMW Motorrad edition. Alright, so on the side of it, it shows right here, feature that has Bluetooth headset compatible, road mode. It has like a road mode when you're on the motorcycle. Replaceable lenses, waterproof, and it comes with AI powered editing as well. In the box it shows you the things that are here, so the camera itself, the mini remote, USB cable, battery. Open it up. So here it is right here, the camera itself. It's the first thing you're gonna see. It's almost identical to a phone unboxing, the way this box is laid out. And then here is the actual accessories in here. So let's see what's in here. So this right here, see what's in here. It's this case right here. So this right here, this case right here has a cable. And everything about this box is just so hard to get open. I don't know why. Feels pretty high quality though. We got this rag right here. Believe this is to clean the lens. Believe this is to mount on the motorcycle helmet. Some rubber bands. So yeah, the camera itself says BMW Motorrad on it. I'm not going to take the lens cover off, I'm just going to take the actual cover off. So yeah, it's nice finish right here, BMW Motorrad. The screen right here, I'll just keep that on as well. My dad will take all this stuff off.
So I've already shown you the results of Cardo connecting with my Insta360 and then using the Cardo mic, this particular mic, for vlogging. It was good, decent. However, when I tested this Insta360 Mic Air with the same setup, connecting this to my Insta360 camera, it was much better for some reason. So I mean, if this is that convenient, it's a fraction of a cost of any other mic, whether it's the Cardo. But Cardo serves multiple functions. The issue that I had with Cardo connecting with this, for some reason, my communication system was not really functioning. And I'm sure there is a setting for that. I'll figure that out as well, where Cardo can simultaneously work with the camera as well as take my phone calls and stuff. It wasn't doing that. So I got to figure that out. But to resolve that issue, I was like, okay, I'll just keep the Cardo as it is. If this mic is this light and convenient, it's much better to just use it, because that way I'm just not stuck with my Cardo Bluetooth. I can use this as a Bluetooth mic for everything else. Like I can just take the camera and start walking and use this mic as well. I'll be putting on some videos of the coverage, and then I'll do a couple of comparisons of Cardo vlogging results with Insta360 Bluetooth connection as well as Insta360 Mic Air connection. So this Insta360 X5, I bought the Motorrad edition, and I hate that I ordered this sleeve and it's just covering the Motorrad badging. So but protection is more important than looks. And then it came with the cover, the larger battery. So you've probably seen that with video. And it also came with this remote. I can mount it on my motorcycle. I can keep it in my pocket. So it can do a bunch of things. Good thing is that Mic Air Insta360 can also turn on your camera directly. So for instance, if I have it over here and the mic is connected and I turn on the mic, you press it on, it turns on the camera as well, as you can see. And now it automatically detected the mic. Obviously there's a connection there. So it's a very seamless process, the way they have integrated this little device into it, it's fascinating. And then you have so many multiple options to carry this mic or use this mic in multiple ways. See, I can turn it off. I can turn the recording on, and I can turn the recording off. So this thing not only turns on the camera, but also use the power button to turn on the recording on the 360 and turn it off. And then if I just turn the mic off, let's see if it turns on. Okay, it does not turn off the camera, it turned off the mic. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll show you the results.